Hello friends, welcome to a tutorial. Today I will try to see you how to change dress design. Firstly, I selected the area, dress area which want to change, and I try to give a design or dress. So firstly I select the dress area, and you must be select the area part to part and smoothly, then the design will be more gorgeous. Okay, already dress area selected, and then I will press on keyboard Ctrl Z, and then a new layer created in the layer, and then we convert to smart object and click on the smart object. Okay, and then go to filter and blur and Gaussian blur, and then okay. Then now I save the file, and then suppose any name I want to save here, and then okay. Now I open the design file which I want to set on the dress. Suppose I say this design I set on the dress and create a new layer and paste the design, and then click on the ground design, and then you click on the your keyboard alter, and then click. Then the design set on the dress, and then you go to filter and distort and displace, and then you may up down the figure, and then okay. Now you replace the save file, and then you give the multiply, and then now I am adjusting the design, just modifying as per your requirement, and then modify the design, and after the modifying, and then you see the design before and after. That is very beautiful and wonderful. I want to tell you, if you are new viewers, then you must be subscribe my channel and stay with us. Thank you.